Alpha section, Arizona, Arizona, Arizona.
White 2 acknowledge Arizona.
So CALFEX is a combined arms live fire exercise. It's where we take all of Chaos Troops equipment, all of our Bradleys, all of our mortar firing systems, in combination with the squadron and the brigade's capabilities of artillery using the 155, and even the choppers. We get air support with AH-64 attack helicopters. And we combine all of these things as we conduct movement to maneuver in a live fire environment to test not only the teams but the equipment itself to make sure we're ready to defend.
Now there will be BMPs.
We just got the new equipment, we're fielding it, we're testing it, we're using it, we're breaking it, and we're fixing it, right? At all echelons. You have to break it to make it better. So we're testing everything that we have to the limits. And as we do that, we really are pressing not only the soldiers' mental and physical strength, but our mechanics as well, and our leaders at all echelons. So it's all just a team effort.
It's a really good training exercise. I think it helps soldiers get a better understanding of what's actually going to happen when you're on a battlefield versus what they hear or what they read in the book. It helps them visualize more. So I think the CALFEX is a good exercise for that.
This experience just teaches me to be disciplined and listen to everything, attention to detail, especially going with live rounds during this CALFEX exercise. And always
being part of the most modern brigade in the Army right now is a terrific experience for me and for our soldiers. The new C2 command and control systems, fire control systems, everything else on these new Bradleys and other ancillary equipment allows us to be more lethal and effective accomplishing our mission. We've, over the past couple months, trained up on this new equipment very deliberately and then stepped into collective training. And that deliberate glide path of receiving, training on new equipment, building proficiency, and then coming out here and building lethality is really the capstone of our training glide path, right? Bringing in the entire Army team, working with all our enablers to pull things together to integrate every asset that is available to us and that these platoon leaders would likely see in combat, demonstrating proficiency on the weapon system, proficiency at the small unit level to be a lethal platoon. We've been out here for 4 days. This is the tail end of a month in the field, right? Sacrifices are in order to make sure that these soldiers are ready if they face a real-world mission to fight and win in the first 72 hours of combat and come home safely in the event of a real-world mission.
White 1, Chaos X-ray. Chaos X-ray, White 1. White 1, Chaos X-ray, you are cleared to cross baseline Cardinals. Continue your reconnaissance to baseline Giants. Over.
Cujo 5-1, this is Stalker. Stand by.